Good morning, Blind Sniper here. Back out here on my little homemade range here with another gun. Come across in the back of my safe my lever action made by old Henry, 22 Magnum. Now, all these shots you see right here at the bottom is where I put a scope on that thing, and it was way out. I started over on this side, working back and forth, trying to get my scope right. Then I hit here, then I punched one right here. The last shot I made, which I called it zero, good enough for me, was this shot right here. I was aiming for that hole and hit right there. So that's the old Henry. Now what I've done is I put my Discovery optic on there, 8 by 32 by 56, I believe it is. I'll know again when I get back up to the table. But the reason I put that big scope on there, because it's overkill for that rifle. It looks humongous sitting on top of that little rifle. But I got the weight I want. And that's what I'm looking at, because that scope weighs close to 3 pounds. I think it's 2.5 to 3 pounds. So that's the weight I needed for that rifle. Now, I don't waste money. I just use targets until I just can't decipher them no more, which this one here is about ready to be thrown away now. But this is one group I shot right here. Don't pay that no attention, and don't pay that dot right there no attention. Right there. Look at that. Look how many are all right there in that one hole. Now mind you, today's the first day I've shot that gun in a long time, and I just zeroed this scope, and I'm still messing with some ammo on it because I never did test it to find out what ammo it likes. But that was one ammo. And then down here at the bottom, right here, is some more ammo. Now that was the Hornady poly tip is what's down here at the bottom. Up here is what I shot when I was doing, it was CCI TNT. That's what it was, CCI TNT. I got the box over there at the table. But that's what I was getting. The CCI polymer tip I used for zeroing in. And then I used some more of this Hornady right here. And there's 2 holes here. There's 2 in one hole. There's 2, 3, 4, because all I had was 4 bullets right there. And I don't know. It's a toss-up. It's going to take some more shooting before I figure out what ammo it likes. Plus, that's all I had in the 22 Magnum right now anyway, until I go uptown towards the end of the week. I got plenty of 22s now. I got a whole ammo box slapped full of 22s. But my 22 Magnums, I'm low on. I got some more, I think, in the ammo box. But I'm going to have to look up and find. But this was a drop of a whim right here, breaking out with this gun, because I couldn't do that with my Remington yet. Nothing else to it right now until I decide which direction I want to go with it. I'm looking at a Timney trigger I might buy for that thing, because I'm not satisfied with that 3-pound pull. I'm just not satisfied with that. Now, lever action, there's not too much I can do for that, to my knowledge. But all this is CCI down here, and that's what I zeroed it in with. Now, that last one you see me that I pointed out to you from Hornady was a holdover. Instead of changing my dials and rezeroing, the first shot I made hit the cardboard, and I seen I needed to go up a little bit, and that's where I got them last 4 shots right there, pretty close to each other. And I guess you can call it a holdover. I don't know what exactly the term is, because I was just shooting at the target corner. I guess I was aiming, so yeah, it's a holdover. But I got some work to do on this rifle here, and mainly to find out what ammo it likes. I knew it was going to be polymer tip was going to be one of them, because it seems like every Magnum I ever shoot, 9 out of 10 times, or maybe I should say 99.9% of the time, it loves either the Hornady poly tip or the CCI poly tip, because both of them shoot differently. You can zero for one, it won't be the same for the other one. So you have to be careful when you're zeroing for this gun. Oh, excuse me, that last one I shot was not Hornady poly tip. The last one I shot was just plain old 30 Hornady 22 Magnum. It doesn't even have poly tip on the box. It's got a poly tip to it though. A little red poly tip on there. Unless it's just a different type box. But it's a 30 grain, 2200 FPS. Let me see what the other Hornady. I'm wrong, that is poly tip. Yeah, Hornady poly tip, that's what I used last time. Here's the, I thought it was TNT. I'm wrong on that last one. The other group was really just right here. Game Point 22 WMR, 40 grain. It was a 40 grain. And then the CCI poly tip was 30, and the Hornady poly tip was 30. I don't know why I don't have it on there. It must be a different type lid they put on, or label. But here's the scope I put on there. This gun shoots fantastic. Now the barrel did get hot on me, but now I hadn't shot this gun in a long time. It's probably been over a year since I've shot this rifle here. But when I was digging through my safe looking for my next project, because you know I got the Remedy as a project. I got the other Mark II. It's going to be a project. It was a Walmart rifle. The original buyer bought it from Walmart. I've been doing some history checking on these rifles. But he bought it from Walmart. He pawned it, sold it. He just didn't like it for some reason. Because I got a Mark II, the same identical setup, except this one that I just bought that he had was a threaded barrel. Mine wasn't. So that's going to be a project rifle. It's coming with a wood stock, a Boyd wood stock already on it. So it maybe won't take too much to get it to shoot right. I want to find out what he's talking about. He doesn't like the way it's shot. But anyway, this one right here, as you can see, like I said, it's an overkill for that rifle, that scope is. But it gives me the weight I wanted, so I don't have to worry about the barrel jumping up on me. And I found out by shooting it on the bag, I can press it all the way up there here, and it's got a good balance to it. And then if I need to steady the rear end, I can slide this bag right here up against the rear just to balance it. I mean, not balance it, but just to keep any wobble out of it. But this baby here, it shoots fantastic. I got to oil it too. I need to clean this gun. But anyway, that's Blind Sniper. Just thought I'd jump on here and show it to you, because this is going to be another one I'm working on. This is the Henry Repeater, is what they call it. We always called them old Henrys, but Henry Repeater arms. And it's a 22. I'm looking at it backwards, trying to, the sun's glaring, I can't see, but maybe you can see that on the barrel. I don't know. There it is. There it is. 22 Magnum. And it came with a Picatinny rail, no sights. Came with the rifle. And but it had the Picatinny rail on here, so all I had to do was put a scope on it. And I've had several different kinds on this rifle when I bought it, but I just never found one I was suited with. And this one here just happened to be sitting on top of my dresser, because I took it off one of my other guns. And because I didn't like it with that gun, it was weird. But it sort of suits this one, because it gives me the weight I want. I got a lot smaller scopes I can put on here, but I'm worried about is though I won't have the weight. I won't have the weight to it, and I need that weight on there. This thing wants to play games today. There you go. But anyway, this is Blind Sniper. Maybe the sun's back out now, finally. All the rain's gone, I hope. and we can get back to scorching dry weather. I don't mind the dry weather. I just don't want the scorching to go with it. But maybe I can get back out here and start doing some more shooting and get some more tests done on these rifles. Because it's been boring sitting in the house. All I've been doing is cleaning guns. All right, this is Blind Sniper. God loves you. I love you. Take care. Ask for forgiveness. Come on to heaven with us. Or at least I hope I get there. And we can reminisce about what all we've done down here. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Blind Sniper out.